welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips SuperWide monitor 45B1U6900C. So friend, it combines a dual monitor setup in a single display. So friend, it is equipped with a large 44.5-inch screen with double resolution and several other features that are designed to aid professionals multitasking, such as USB Type-C docking with RJ45 input, a 32:9 super wide aspect ratio and curvature of 1500R with viewing angles of 178 by 178 degrees. And instead of having two separate monitors, the Philips 45B1U6900C's 44.5-inch screen and 32:9 super wide aspect ratio allow professional to easily open multiple windows side by side without a bezel in the middle dividing the content abruptly. And front aspect ratio also helps to have an extra wide perspective for working with timeline based software such as video or audio editors. And the monitor's curved VA panel produce wide 178 by 178 degree viewing angles and creates high contrast images, while the 1500R curvature creator in overall more impressive experience. And another important feature to note for making the workspace better is the USB Type-C docking hub with RJ45, and professionals can connect their laptop to the monitor via USB Type-C and gain wired access to network thanks to the RJ45 input of the monitor, and the network connection is routed via USB Type-C to the laptop. When connected via USB Type-C, the connected device also receives power delivery up to 100 watt and extend the desktop space using USB Type-C DisplayPort alternate mode and access external device connected high-speed data transfer thanks to its USB 3.2 generation 1 support, all by using a single USB Type-C connection between the laptop and the 45B1U6900C display. And friend, this monitor is already available for purchase. The price at €939.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.